As a video editor, it's very important to scroll through the entire footage so that we can know where to cut off things, where to remove some of the things, and where we need to add some extra footage if we want to. But sometimes it can be a little bit hard. Sometimes it lags as we go through the footage and you're not exactly seeing the right playback. It's not smooth at all. But today I'm going to tell you guys a very simple tool that is inside Premiere Pro that you can use to make sure that you go through the video smoothly and there's no lag whatsoever. So here we are in Premiere Pro and I have this trailer video of Fast and Furious 9. Not gonna lie, this is a very stupid movie in my opinion. But this trailer is actually in 4K, but I can go through this footage very easily. There's no lag whatsoever. But sometimes what happens when you're going through the footage, you might not be seeing the exact playback in the smoothest way possible. So one of the things you can obviously do is go into the resolution over here and go back and put it down to 1:4 or maybe 1:2 depending upon your processor and how much your PC can handle Premiere Pro in the video. And that can obviously help you out, but there's another thing that you can do that will definitely help you out. In your project video where you can see the videos and music and whatever, you can right click on the video you have and go down here and click on proxy and you can create a proxy. Now proxy will basically create a lower resolution of that very video. What it does is it will replace the video that you've implemented in the timeline. It's going to replace that video with the lower resolution video, and that video will only be used for editing purposes. And once you've finished all the editing, all the cuts, added music, whatever you want to add, once that is done, it will replace that low resolution video with the high resolution video when you are going to export. So the moment you click on export, it will replace that file and you will lose no details. So when you click on create proxy, you have this format option, you have presets. Now this video is in 4K and I can reduce that 4K to 720p so that it could be easier for the CPU to handle as we go through the footage. And format is going to be H.264 because that's what I usually use as well. You can even keep it at that way, don't need to change. And I'm going to keep the preset at 720p. You can also, I think, add another preset if you want to, if you have a preset file. But as of right now, you can go with any of these. It's going to suggest you the lowest and the highest, I believe. But I will go with 720p and I'm going to click OK. Now what this will do, it will open Media Encoder CC that comes with Adobe Premiere Pro. Now here what is happening is the Media Encoder is actually rendering the proxy and it's going to immediately replace this proxy footage with the footage that you originally have in your timeline. Now I have this destination folder inside of a proxies folder and you can customize that inside of the Premiere Pro. Now when you're trying to create the proxy, in the create proxy window, you can see the destination folder. It says next to the original media in proxy folder where I have right now, or you can set a separate destination wherever you want to put it in. Right now the proxy video has replaced the original video, but you don't see much of a difference, do you? Don't worry, it has actually replaced your proxy file and now you can easily edit, cut wherever you want to cut, remove, add more footages if you want to, and it's going to be very easy for you and very fast for you if you want to do this kind of thing. And once you click on export, it's going to replace the original file, the original video file with the proxy file, and no quality will be lost in that very video. And it's very simple and easy to do. Now you don't have to create proxies in every single kind of video. For example, if you're recording like a screen video or a gameplay video or some other small videos, you don't need to create proxy because Adobe Premiere Pro can easily handle. It depends upon what type of video it is. Usually when people record videos from high budget cameras, they usually make a proxy of that video so that it is easier for them to edit in inside of Premiere Pro, because those are high quality video with higher bit rates and it's very hard for Premiere Pro to handle. That's why they use proxies. Well, I hope you got to learn something new in this very video. If you did, press that like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this and tips and tricks that can help you out as a video editor and much more. Thank you so much guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care of yourselves.